Hey there guys! Today we are going to start a new series, using GameMaker Studio 2. You probably didn't know, but GameMaker 2 lets you make games without coding. You can use GML code if you wanted to, but it is optional. Most things can be done using drag and drop commands. So let's make a simple, 8-direction movement game. Let's create a new project. You can select from drag and drop project or GML code project. For this example, we are going to use drag and drop. Save your new project. I'm going to call my project Sparkman. But you can call yours whatever you want. Here is the project. Now, let's add a new sprite. Create sprite. You can either make a sprite in GameMaker, or you can just import images. I'm going to make one inside the program. This pixel editor is frigging awesome. You'll like it once you try it. Okay, here's our sprite. Now, we have a sprite, which is just an image. We need to put this image inside of an active object, so we can control it. Before we continue, let me change the size of the room, which is the level. I'm going to set this to 640 by 480, just for this example. Okay, that's much better. Now let's make an active object. To make an object, simply right-click on Objects. Let's put the sprite inside the object. Now, drag your object into the screen. Make sure Instances is selected, not the background. Actually, let me change the background. There's our new background. You can also load images if you wanted to. But just color is fine for now. Now, if you run this, you will notice that nothing happens. Okay, so let's double-click on the object. And let's add an event. I'm going to select Key Down. Let's start with the right key. Now let's select one of the actions you want to happen when you press the right key. Let's scroll down. Under Movement, I'm going to select Jump to Point. And just drag it out to this window. Now, we want to move 5 pixels to the right. So on the X, just enter 5. Check these checkboxes, because he will move relative to itself. Let's run the game. And now we can move right. Wow! Just like that. Now, double-click on your object again. And let's copy the same event. This time I'm going to select Left. I'm going to set this to -5 instead. Let's test the game. And we can move back and forth. How cool is that? Now let's do the up and down. Same thing. I'm going to copy this event, but this time I'm going to select Down. Set the X back to 0. And let's set the Y to 5. That works great. Now let's do the up direction. Same thing, just copy the event. Select up. And let's set the Y to -5. Let's run the game. And you can see that we can move left, right, up and down. We can also move diagonally if you press both keys at the same time. How cool is that? Okay, that's it. If you hated this video, please hit that dislike button. But if you liked this video, make sure you smack that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit the bell next to the subscribe button. See you in part 2 of this video.